Hi friends, how are you? Today we are going to learn how to install my Photoshop actions and my tool presets that you might have received from me through an email. If you'd like a copy of those, you can reach out at Gretchen at GretchenOtero.com. Leave me a comment. I would love to hear from you. There's no charge for them, completely free, my gift to you, so you can follow along with my tutorials. Actions are simply a set of commands or a set of tasks that you pre-program Photoshop to do when you click it. It's a really great time saver. So instead of like going up here and clicking this and that and going here and doing this, it just does everything for you with a single click. So my actions are pretty simple. There's actions out there that you can buy from other people that are really involved. Mine are primarily focused on creating a fast workflow. I am a professional photographer. I do have a lot of photos to edit. So my goal is to get through those as quickly and as nicely as possible, and my actions help me to achieve that. My actions also work directly with my tool presets. They talk to one another. So that way when I click an action over here, it does its little thing on the photo, and then it'll select the tool preset that I need to finish the job. So super easy, guys. If you've received my email, go ahead and download the Gretchen's actions and the Gretchen's tool presets to your hard drive. Usually they go to your downloads, and but you need to know where they go. That's important. I don't know where they go. That'll be on you. So just know where they've gone, and super easy, guys. We're going to go up here to this little, I think it's 4 lines. We're going to click it, say replace actions. Now, if you wanted to keep these that come with Photoshop, guys, I don't know what they do. I've never really used them. But if you want to keep them, then you're going to click load actions. If you want to get rid of them and say, no, Gretchen, I just want what you have, we're going to say replace actions. You're going to navigate on your computer where they downloaded to, usually your downloads. There we go, Gretchen's 2020 actions. Don't change the name of this because your actions are going to talk to your tool presets and the name needs to stay the same. So say load, boom, there are the actions. Now the ones you get might not have like proofs that need more work or Gretchen's display or portraiture. Those are things that specifically just work on my computer. Portraiture is a plugin that you might not have. And then these are just specific to my computer. So you don't have those. That's completely okay. I'll have other videos to show you how to make your own, which is awesome. So now we have our actions. Let's go down here to our tool presets. We're going to click this same exact thing. We want to replace the tool presets. No, we don't want to save changes. We're going to navigate to where they are, downloads, Gretchen's updated 2020 tool presets. Don't change the name. Say OK, load. We are going to still load as tools and just say OK, and there we go. Now let's see if we do full black overlay. Perfect. It put the black overlay. It made a layer. It selected my 17% brush, so I can go in here and edit. So that is it, guys. That is how to change a load your Photoshop actions, load your Photoshop tool presets. I'll put a video in the description that's going to show you how to fix save proof print as is, because as it is on your computer, it's not going to work. So I'll put a video in the description for how to fix that, and you can also learn how to kind of fix and make your own actions too from that video. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.